Meaning of galvanic.
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 Galvanic. The term galvanic is related to electricity or electric current in a specific context. It is often used to describe the chemical reaction between two different metals that are in contact with each other, resulting in the creation of an electrical current. This type of reaction is commonly known as a galvanic cell, and it plays an important role in various scientific fields like electrochemistry and corrosion. The result of this reaction is a flow of electrons through the metal, leading to the transfer of energy from one metal to another.